Yo, what's up YouTube? This your boy Cuss over here at Custom Made Barbershop in Jacksonville. And today I got another video for y'all. Alright, now this video is a medium skin fade, of course, as usual. And I want to shout this one out to Barber Illuminati. And those of you that have been subscribing to this channel, those of you that have been commenting, those of you that have been following me on Instagram and Facebook. Shout out to y'all that's been looking out for me on Cash App and the other little different platforms. Appreciate the support, appreciate everything, contributions and everything. I just want y'all to know that everything that we talk about and everything that you see on this channel is not, I repeat, is not actual facts, okay? This is for entertainment and educational purposes only, okay? This is just to teach. I'm not telling anybody to go out there and do nothing with these videos, okay? Anyways, what I'm doing now is balding out the bottom, and I'm actually gonna fade upwards, okay? What I want you guys to try to do with this video is try to, in your own imagination, in your own head, I want y'all to try to see what steps I'm taking in order to fade upwards, okay? My client came in, and he told me that he didn't want to touch the top. All he wanted to do was fade the sides. He wanted to go from bald all the way up. So if you've been paying attention to my videos, you know exactly what steps I've been taking, and you should start off with this step right here. So go ahead and try to see if you could figure out how I got this fade all the way to the top. All right. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit like, subscribe, share, comment, and once again, shout out to Barber Illuminati. Peace.